comes to me, I give it to you. So I'm going to tell you right now, I told you guys a hurricane. I told you there was going to be 3 powerful hurricanes. So I saw the one in North Carolina. I predicted, I told y'all prepare, get out as much as I could. I didn't know where exactly. I definitely didn't know it was going to be Asheville. I'm from Savannah, Georgia. I knew there was going to be devastation. And then when people kept saying, oh, the one in Florida is going to slow down, I did not feel like that. I felt like it was going to speed up and cause absolute devastation. I still think that. She was telling me, well, hopefully it's going to be over. And I said, I don't think so. I see a 3rd storm coming. Y'all, there's something so funny about all of this. It just don't sit right with me at all. And I know people say, oh, that's crazy weather manipulation. This is absolutely 100% weather manipulation. I stand behind it no matter what anybody says. Hello, Piper. Hello, Kaylee. Hello, my girls. I hope you guys are going to be coming to see me in Sedona. I'll be there in a week. But just listening to just hearing what's going on in the world. I don't listen to news. I don't listen to media. I keep myself pure from it because you can't listen to news and media anymore. But I tell you what, regardless of what you think, how these hurricanes were formed, please, please, please prepare. Don't think it's already over. Don't think it's already too late. I see another one coming up, another storm coming up from the north. Not from the south. And you know, when have you guys seen huge storms 2 in a row come out of the Gulf? It's just unusual. It's unusual, guys. I'm not going to say, I believe 100% this is manipulation of the weather. I'm not saying there wasn't already a storm, but there are ways to strengthen them, and there are ways to actually cause them to strengthen. There is. I'm in Fort Lauderdale and someone said military map shows. I'm telling you, Milton is going to be an absolute destroyer. Please board your windows, get out, fill your gas, do anything you could do, because there's never too much preparation. There's only not enough. It devastated me though. I was sitting in front of the sun. I was meditating on the ground. I had walked my whole property, which is about an acre. I had walked it today and I was drumming, you know, just putting some fresh energy into it. And we've been trying to transmute this land as it was owned by some other people, and there was some negative energy. So I've been constantly working around getting this energy back to good. And please share this message. I'm not going to be on a long time. There's only 5 shares, 500 taps. Tap, please. Clapping is tapping. Sharing is caring. And I came to deliver a very, important message. I did the same thing during the whole C-19. I told you guys things are going to shut down. It's going to get ugly. I told y'all before it happened so that y'all knew. Do not think just because you're not in Florida, you're not going to be storm hit. Prepare. I'm talking about everywhere from Texas over. Just prepare. Just prepare right now. Just do it again. Do it again. Do it again. From Texas over, just prepare yourself, please. North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Virginia, all the way from Texas over and up. Just prepare, please. Get yourself solar generators. Get generators if you can. Take pictures and copies of all your important stuff. Do not let it be the last minute. Don't be the foolish virgin that's sitting at the Lowe's or Home Depot needing batteries or water or gasoline, and it's too damn late because you didn't jump on it. Just please do yourself a favor. Buy your pet food. This is all stuff y'all know. I've been saying this forever, but I see another storm coming after Milton. That's what I'm saying. I was like, are you sure about this? They're like, just tell the people. And I'm like, are you sure about this? Just tell the people. I'm like, okay. If that's what you really want me to tell them, I'll tell them. Because there's no amount that's going to hurt you. Preparation is not going to hurt you. It is not going to hurt you. Spend the money, buy yourself a little bit of food, have some of your medicine on hand, get you a little generator, go to Harbor Freight before they sell out. They do sell out and then you can't get one. Fill up your cars with gas. Why not? It's not going to hurt you any. Fill up your car with gas in case you need to. Please, just do yourself a favor. I saw a 3rd storm coming, and it's going to devastate areas that are already hit, but I don't think it's Florida. It's like right above Texas in the middle of the country coming down. Just like straight up, but coming down is what I see. Coming down and sweeping. And this is like coming in a couple more. So we're talking like 4 to 5 days away. So after Milton, which is another major one, I just see a lot of devastation, y'all. I can't even sit with myself tonight. That's why I'm not going live to do readings. I have already done my readings for the day, and I feel like I need to take a salt bath and really clear my energy and do some prayers today, because my family in Georgia, they have already been waterlogged for weeks, y'all. The houses have been flooded. Before the hurricane, the rivers had already ran their banks. It had already flooded the houses, and then on top of that, flooding, now they had the hurricane that washed down all this debris, because remember, it's not just the eye of the storm. There's like microbursts, there's tornadoes, there's storms, there's high winds. And then now, even though they don't show Georgia in the eye, we're like 60 miles from Jacksonville. So we're really like right at the Florida border.